Hi, I'm Maymay. I'm a 10th grader at Newton Country Day School of the Sacred Heart.
Hi, I'm Elodie. I'm a Year 13 student at Baradene College of the Sacred Heart in Auckland, New Zealand.
And we're exchange sisters. Today we're going to be learning about what is unique about our Sacred Heart schools and what is similar.
We have our science on the top floor and then art on the bottom.
It's a building.
It's an actual building.
Ours is Senior Commons.
It's such a cute little room.
I know.
I love that.
It's really pretty. I like the carpet in there. Okay, so we have our school colors like blue and silver. It's like kind of a rivalry. And then there's an induction in the fall.
So we have 5 houses.
Okay.
And you get put
Harry
into your
Potter.
houses depending on if you have family or friends.
Yeah, that's what
so
we
my
had too.
cousins went and they were in Stewart, so now I'm in Stewart.
Oh, that's so cute. I love that.
It's our main school building, so that orangey, like reddish building I was showing you.
It's 9th grade homeroom right across from the chorus room, or you go there for like study hall. That's so interesting.
5 minutes to walk from every class,
Okay.
and then it's a little gap you have to be in class.
We have 9:50 to normally like 9:57. You have a lot of time to center yourself before your next class. Oh, you were telling me about this.
So it stands for Feast of the Sacred Heart, and then it's kind of split into like daily events. We have mass in the morning, so it's like a whole day, end of term thing.
Yeah.
So we always know when it happens.
That's so funny. We don't know when it happens, so like the seniors come running down the halls, and then classes are canceled for the rest of the day, and you get to like go do a fun activity.
Even if you're having a test.
Even if you're having a test. Thanks for watching. Cheers.